Rain, rain, more rain and some more rain. Northeast, being highest rainfall area of the world, does not provide a congenial environment for simple sun drying to preserve excess food resources for the lean period, so smoking and fermentation naturally evolved due to this compulsion. Also, people could have salted their excess produce, but in the ancient times, most of the ethnic groups in the eastern Himalayan region, landlocked geographically, most of the communities neither know about the use of salt nor had free access to it before the British era. There was salt being mined from some parts of the Himalayas and were used by some ethnic communities, but it was a very scarce, high-value commodity. People instead used strong alkali obtained from burnt ashes of bamboo or papaya or native variety of banana sheets and used it instead of salt. So that's how in many northeastern tribal cooking you'd find kulchi or khar being used in the cuisine. Along with many other ingredients unique to this region, making northeastern very rich in food culture, which differs vastly from the rest of the country in its taste as well as flavors. Coming back to our main topic, that is fermentation, I am going to show you how we process bambooshoot for preservation. Bambooshoot contains 88.8% water, has about 10 mineral elements, has more than 3.9% protein and amino acids, which is much higher than vegetables such as cabbage, carrot, onions and pumpkins. There are 8 amino acids that cannot be synthesized in human body and have to be supplied from food items, and almost all the 8 are available in bamboo shoots. But there's a problem to this wonderful and nutritious vegetable. Bamboo shoot has about 0.8 to 0.3% cyanide or cyanide-based compounds in them, and approximately 50 to 60 milligram of free cyanide is considered a lethal dose for an adult human. Indigenous knowledge system that people possess about wild edible plants helps handle the cyanogenic toxicity in raw shoot while keeping the nutrient intact and enhance the shelf life of the product. Traditionally, there are many ways of processing bamboo shoot, such as roasting, blanching, canning and pickling, but today we will use fermentation to process our bamboo shoots. The preservation through fermentation is very simple. First, you peel the sheet off, cut out the very hard parts and discard them. Give them a good wash in clean water and chop them into large sized chunks. These chunks are further chopped down to smaller bits. I am using a steel tumbler with sharp edges to basically make a keema out of it. Don't make it too fine or it will end up looking like a paste. Probably the size of chopped onion pieces will do. The cyanide starts breaking down right after the harvest, and what you're doing by finely chopping the shoot is speeding up the process. Next step, fermentation will further break it down completely. Take a clean food-grade glass, plastic or ceramic jar and tightly pack it up till the shoulder of the jar. You will need to leave some space for the gas release during fermentation. First few days in a while, slightly open the jar to release the gas, as there is the possibility of the jar exploding due to a large amount of gas unable to escape. Your fermented bamboo shoot is usually ready in a week or two, but keep it longer as they believe that the longer it ferments, the better it tastes and its medicinal properties improve. People from the tribe that I am from believe that a bamboo shoot that has fermented for 7 years can be used as a cure for poisoning and snakebite. For the larger quantity, People use baskets aligned with banana or Pyranum pubinif leaves and tightly pack the chopped bamboo shoots in them. With a heavy weight on top to strain out the water, the bamboo shoot ferments in the basket itself and has less moisture content to it. People also dry the fermented bamboo shoot in the month of December and January when it doesn't rain in this region to produce dried bamboo shoot, and dried bamboo shoot in itself has a very distinct taste. You can call bamboo shoot as the Northeast Indian answer to South India's tamarind and North and Western India's amchur or raw mango powder. I have seen people add bamboo shoot even to their instant noodles. On a serious note, there is a huge requirement for scientific validation of indigenous tribal knowledge so that the modern scientific inputs would provide guidelines for evolving a simple, efficient system for bamboo shoot utilization and use it for rural entrepreneurship. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also hit the notification icon so that you get an update of when I'm posting my new videos. And I'll see you next week with more amazing videos from the Northeast. Until then, take care. Bye. Looks like it's going to rain again.